writing sentences with our root words. This is the one homework assignment each week that students do not get to choose. Every student must write the practice vocab sentences. Turning your vocab side of your LV notebook to this week's root words. We'll be using the space underneath the roots chart to write our sentences. Your chart might be drawn in like this one, or it might be a photocopy that you've glued in. Either way, it should be here on the top of the right-hand page. Each week gets one spread, meaning a right-hand page and a left-hand page. There should be no way for you to get off a page. All right, so let's title this bottom section right here, Sentences. And I like colors, so I'm going to use a little bit right here. Just do my title in a different color, Sentences. For each root word, you are going to use an example word in a sentence. Each sentence must be full and complete. Remember that means there must be a capital letter at the beginning, punctuation at the end, a subject, so who or what the sentence is about, and a predicate, the action that sentence is doing. Your example word can be anywhere in that sentence. So let's look at crone as an example. Crone means time. An example word that we went over in class is chronology. Now, maybe I don't want to use chronology in my example sentence, but I would rather use chronological. That's totally fine as long as the root word is somewhere in the sentence. So let's try writing that in a sentence. Miss Uribe asked us to put the dates in chronological order. Note that I have a capital letter at the beginning, a period at the end, a subject, Miss Uribe, a predicate, asked. Now for the last step, make sure that you underline your example word. So in this case, it's chronological. This will help me as I come around to check on your sentences. Let's do one more just to make sure we understand what we're doing. Dec means 10. See that I wrote down decade in my notebook. Remember that there are lots of words that use these roots, and I'm just giving you a few examples at the beginning of the week, and you're only required to write down one. Even though I wrote down decade, it's totally okay to use a word like decimal or decagon. For this example, though, I am going to stick with decade. Let's try this. When my brother turned 10, decade old. Make sure that you underline decade since it is the example word. Again, notice that there's a capital letter, punctuation at the end, a subject, my brother, a predicate, turned 10. All of these elements are required for it to be a full and complete sentence. When you have written 5 sentences, ask a parent or responsible adult to sign off on your homework sheet. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.